Parliament Secretary, Ms. Wajia, Kaisar Alam Saab, Managing Director, National Book Foundation, Dr. Qibla Ayaz, Dr. Zia was here, all the honorable speakers, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. After the powerful speeches of Dr. Zia and Dr. Qibla Ayaz, it's very difficult to say anything, but I'll try. And with the permission of the hosts, I'll be bilingual, if that's okay. Before I start my talking points, I just want to share that I've been part of the Paigam-e-Pakistan and Doktoran-e-Pakistan, and together we have hosted a number of conferences and workshops. But that is not enough. All of us, we need to be part of that. Everybody has to do something to further this discourse, जिस पे आने की आज हम बात कर रहे हैं. And I also want to share that a university probably was the first one 6 years ago when we started the discourse of unity in diversity. And we gave that concept of unity in diversity, and since then we've been celebrating, and last year we had a conference also, Unity in Diversity for National Cohesion and Integrity. Today we're talking about the social harmony. Let's see how does the English dictionary defines it. American Heritage Dictionary defines harmony as a pleasing combination of elements in a whole. Please focus on the meaning, the word that says pleasing combination. So it's not just a combination, it's a pleasing combination of elements in a whole. Later, when we move forward, then we'll see how does it become a pleasing combination. Similarly, Oxford Dictionary defines harmony as the quality of forming a pleasing and consistent whole. Pleasing and consistent whole. Then we move to the Cambridge Dictionary that defines harmony as a situation in which people are peaceful and agree with each other. For example, racial harmony would mean good feelings between different races. Similarly, religious harmony would mean good feelings between people of different religions. Likewise, social harmony means good and friendly feelings among people of various and different religions, sectarian, ethnic, political, and others that live in a society or a country. We look at different elements, but then see that social harmony is a way to build up a harmonious bridge supported by pillars of mutual trust. Mutual trust, respect, understanding, goodwill, peace, and empathy. The mutual harmony should not allow differences of religion, race, ethnicity, gender, caste, and the like to intervene. Social harmony means giving space to the fellow beings in terms of emotional and physical oddities.